How to enable or disable split screen feature in Microsoft Edge. Do you find the Microsoft Edge split screen feature disruptive rather than helpful for multitasking? Customizing its status is essential for a productive workflow. We'll show you 5 different methods catering to everyone from single users to large corporate deployments. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Introduction to Edge split screen and user level control. First, let's look at user level methods. The easiest way is through Edge settings. First, open Microsoft Edge. Navigate to edge://settings/appearance in the address bar. Next, find the split screen option under Browser Behavior and Features and toggle it on or off. Remember, you may need to restart the browser session for changes to take effect. Another simple option is Edge flags. Go to edge://flags, search for split screen, and toggle the feature there. Note that in newer versions of Microsoft Edge, split screen may no longer appear under flags, so the settings method is recommended. Enterprise management via GPO. For enterprise-wide deployment, Group Policy Objects, or GPOs, is the recommended tool. You'll need GPO access and the Edge ADMX templates. Here's what you need to do. Open the Local Group Policy Editor. Navigate to Computer Configuration, then to Administrative Templates, and select Microsoft Edge. Find the policy, control the appearance of the split screen button. Set it to Enabled with Hidden to remove the button, or Enabled with Visible to display it. Finally, run gp-update/force to apply changes immediately. System-wide configuration via Registry and PowerShell. For advanced users or systems without GPO, you can configure the setting using the Windows Registry or a PowerShell script. Registry method. Open Regedit, navigate to the Edge policy path, and set the split screen enabled DWORD value to 0 to hide the button or 1 to display it. PowerShell method. For automation, use the provided commands, setting the split screen enabled value to 0, disable, or 1, enable. This method is ideal for automation and RMM distribution. Optimizing deployment and managing risks. Let's discuss how to optimize deployment and mitigate common risks. Consistency is key when managing these settings. User access. Be aware of potential risks. End users might re-enable the feature via browser settings, so consider using GPO to lock out the GUI configuration. Roaming profiles. Remember that policy settings are typically applied per device, which can cause issues with roaming profiles unless you use a login script or MDM. Browser updates. Be ready to update your configuration if future Edge updates rename features or behaviors. Achieving control over your browser features comes down to consistent policy enforcement. Successfully deploying your desired configuration for Microsoft Edge split screen configuration ensures every user operates within the same established guidelines. This provides significant value by standardizing the digital workspace and boosting efficiency. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to enable or disable split screen feature in Microsoft Edge, linked in the description below.